NaJae back with another video. This one I will be talking about the awesome essential awards for the month of February for this month. So exciting. They have some really good stuff. I can't wait to get them and show you guys what I get. But if you were to order 100 PV, you would get the 5 milliliter bottle of Clove Vitality for free. So instead of paying $9.87, you'd get that bottle for free if you reach 100 PV. If you reach 190 PV, you would get the 60 count Super Cal Plus. That's, I believe, one of their vitamins that they have. So they do have multivitamins that they do have that people take, and those are really good. Then you'll also get a 5 milliliter bottle of Majorium and a 5 milliliter bottle of Clove Vitality. So if you were to spend $190, you would be saving $64.15 because those three products you would get for free. It's pretty cool, right? If you were to do 250 PV, you would get a 15 milliliter bottle of Cypress, 60 count Super Cal Plus, the bonus Essential Awards 5 milliliter Majorium, and the 5 milliliter Clove Vitality. So, Cypress is really good. I diffused that, and I believe I've also put it on a roll-on. But I'm not sure. But I have used Cypress, and that one's really good. I use Clove Vitality. It's another one that I really like to use. So you got some really awesome stuff. So you'd be saving $90.14 if you were to spend $250 PV. You would get those four products for free. If you were to reach 300 PV, you'd get a 5 milliliter bottle of Purification, 5 milliliter bottle of Paleo Cento, 15 milliliter bottle of Cypress, 60 count Super Cal Plus, sorry. Then the bonus ER Essential Rewards 5 milliliter Majorium, and then the 5 milliliter Clove Vitality. So that's 6 free products that you would get on top of the products that you're buying for 200 PV, and you would be saving $157.57. Tell me that's not a good deal, because you make up your own. I'll say it at the end, but it's pretty cool. It's a good deal if you are a Young Living member and you have Essential Awards. Then there's 400 PV. You would be getting a 15 milliliter bottle of Ylang-a-Lang, so that one's really good. I know my mom have used it for her blood pressure, so that one's really good. I'm not a big fan of the smell, but it's good for you. So you can rub it on your wrist and neck to leave a calming floral fragrance. And you can also add it to your lotion. You would also get a 5 milliliter bottle of Purification. And I love Purification. Purification is really good to banish bad odors. And you can also add it to your laundry. The 5 milliliter bottle of Paleo Cento. They recommend you diffuse it. That's the best way to use that one. You can diffuse Paleo Cento as you set ambitious personal goals for the coming month. So, motivation, you want something for motivation, Paleo Cento, that's a good one. You can also dilute it with carrier oil and use it in a massage to relax and refresh your muscles after strenuous activity. So, my friends who like to work out, that's a good oil that you can dilute with a carrier oil and put it right on top of your body, and I'm telling you, it's amazing. My favorite one is Panaway, but that's for a whole nother video, a whole nother oil. You'll also get the 15 milliliter bottle of Cypress. And they recommend that you diffuse it, but you can use it other ways. But it's good for meditation. So you would also get the 60 count Super Cal Plus. And those multivitamins promote overall bone health. So that's another good product to look into if you are interested in stuff like that. Then you would get the bonus Essential Awards 5 milliliter bottle of Majorium. And Majorium brings relief to sore muscles. You can dilute it with a carrier oil and use it in a massage. So if you got them sore muscles, you like to work out, you like to run, Majorium and Paleo Cento. I know there's a bunch of different oils that you can use, but this month you can get these for free. So why not save your money? Bonus, and then the last one would be your bonus Essential Awards 5 milliliter bottle of Clove Vitality. And that one supports whole life wellness. You could put it in your morning oatmeal as a tasty way to support your immune system. And then you can also add it to your baked goods. So that was 1, 2, 3, 7 free products that you would get if you were to spend 400 PV. If you were to reach 400 PV, you'd be saving $212.83. So all the products that you get for your monthly rewards, whatever your monthly order, whatever you chose to get, you would get those products on top of the 7 free products Young Living gives you for reaching 400 PV. So if you don't understand and you want more information on Central Rewards, leave me a comment down below, or you can inbox me, and I would love to help you guys sign up and help you guys get on your oily journey with me. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.